Good morning. Hey, good morning. Did you cry last night? Why'd you cry? Why'd you cry? You don't know? You wanted milk, you said. Will you promise me? So you stopped crying, huh? So, Aaliyah sleeps with us in our bed. But lately, I've been sleeping with Aaliyah here because Iris can't get on top of the bed because our bed is pretty high up. So, this is the perfect opportunity because we're weaning her off breast milk completely. So she's been doing pretty well. Like, we've been talking to her in the mornings, or at least I've been talking to her all day about, hey, you promise you won't cry, right? And she says, I promise. So I've been using that word promise to her. And I don't know how she learns it. How do you teach someone promise? It's an agreement. We should understand the word promise. So at nighttime, she stops crying when I say, hey, you promise you won't cry.
I tapped my nose.
You touched your nose? So then she'll stop. But parenting 101, I guess. No one teaches you this stuff. Kind of just learn as you go, right? Can I have a kiss in the morning? Oh, morning kiss. I love you. One more. One more. Aww. Those are my old neighbors right there. Super cool people. They both are, I think in their 85, I think they are. Super cool. They love me. They will not call the cops on me when we party super loud. We don't party anymore, but they're super kind people. I just saw them right here, so I hopped out of the car, told them about the update on Iris. Told them what's been going on, but they've seen us grow from like little 26-year-olds, I think, when I bought the house, 25 or 26, into now. So they're freaking amazing. Oh, you guys. So the older guy, he's probably 85 at least. He has been a POW twice, so I want to do a documentary on him and let him tell his story on his life. And one of his first cars he's ever been in is a car that you had to hand crank to turn on. That would be a good video. Anyways, let's go to work. Boop.
Damn, I'm staying the facts. You hate that like you hate when niggas tell you relax.
What are we doing?
Well, I decided to get Tiger tires, but I chose two things. Either my Instagram handle or just something totally different and do ST Attic because I have an ST. So I don't know which one to do.
Once you do it, like, front is different and the back is different. Or you can, like, or the top of the tire is your name and then the bottom is... Because that's what mine is different. Because that's how mine is. Mine says like Primal, right? Does it? And then it says Smurfin on the bottom. So it's two different on top and bottom.
Maybe. Jaylene's is ST Attic. Okay, I'm down.
That's nice. This is the lineup of crazy carts. You got mine, the sticker bombed. I think I need new casters though. And then you've got, this is John's right now. And then Jay and then Rob. Oh, you know what? Since we have so many, we should actually, just pick your own. Alright. You should like start picking your own. Well, just write it today and then seniority gets picked first. So Rob gets to pick his first one. But you can write all of them and pick whatever you want because you got seniority. Yeah, you're old, that's what I mean. And then John gets to pick second, then Jay. Then after that, you guys can put your stickers on there or whatever, or your IG handle. I need new casters. My back tire, my back wheel is like a little lumpy. Okay, cool. Go out. The squad. It's kind of cold. This is a commercial. Hey guys, I must say sorry now if there's wind noise, but drifting is serious over here. Alright guys, here's the rules. Don't get run over. Right here. I'll lay out the course real quick. Sorry guys if it's windy, but it's nice out here. I'll be last in line. I'm gonna follow you guys. Ready? I'm gonna make you better. I promise you and Chava I'll make you better. Right, ladies and genitals. Ready? Set. Go. Look at John. Look at Jay go. Look at Jay go. John holding angle. John holding angle. Oh! Look at this shit. Look at this angle. That was good. John wins. Rob loses last place. Ready for a follow? I'll try to be good. Ready? Let's go. Oh, okay. Damn. Oh, he's going backwards. Ow. I don't understand how he goes backwards and then goes forward so effortlessly. How? Too much seat time. Too much. Dude, look at Jay, look at Jay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And don't run into cars, Rob. Oh, look at Rob. Rob's doing it. Rob's doing it. I'm chasing him down. Come on, Rob. Whoa! Oh my God, Rob. Oh my God. Come on, Jay. Let me see it. Let me see it, Jay. Hold that angle. Hold it. Hold it. Has your vlog ever seen when you do this? Oh no. I don't think they have. So there's this curve right here, right? And I haven't done it in a while. Yeah. My tire's a little funky, but I have this line that I do. If you guys look over there, there's still red marks. It's like super small, just enough for a cart. Yeah. Want me to try it? There's red marks on your cart for me. Oh shit, there is. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, let me try it. Let me try it. You guys stay right here. All right, guys, here we go. It was shaky. I'm sorry. Whoa. So scared. Oh, you almost went into the bush. Damn. Oh. I don't know how I recovered that circle. That was sketch. There's a burnout mark from it. Damn. That was pretty tight right there. Huh? No, he'll get all scared. Yeah. For the crazy car gang. That was a little bit sloppy, but still like pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's head back into the office and get some work done. Hey, if you guys want some crazy cart footage, leave in the comments below. Let me know. Oh my gosh, Rob. Come on, Jay. Let me see that angle. Let me see that angle. Come on. Right here. Right turn, ready? Whip left, whip right. Counter steer, counter steer. Oh, hold it, hold it. Oh, you got it. All right, Rob. Come on, let me see this. Manji. Oh. Okay. Nice. And then John. I fall right behind John. Jeez, look at Rob. So I haven't eaten lunch yet. The guys are currently on lunch break. I will use this time to do all admin stuff. I haven't even eaten, dude. It's like almost 2 o'clock. So I take this time to do all admin stuff, so that way when they get back from lunch, everything's all ready for them so they can get working. So right now I'm syncing all of our computers we have in the warehouse together into a central computer. That way if anything happens, everything's backed up, but also it helps us streamline all the process. So if we send a file to a computer, we don't need USBs anymore, because we've been using these primal driven key USBs. I don't even know if we have these anymore for sale, but these are 8 gigs. but we were transferring files on here in order to get it to a computer. Now we don't even need to do that anymore because everything will be synced. Leah, can you say bye to the vlog for me? I gotta give you a bath. Come here, you're so nasty. You're so nasty. Come here. Come here. Here, can you say bye? Can you say have a great day? Yes, I know you did that. You're not supposed to mess with that. Can you say bye, please?
Bye.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
And see you later.
See you later.
Drive safe.
Yes.
And then what?
It's not.
Fist bump. Go ahead. Boom.